Okay guys, it's an overcast day. It always seems to be overcast when I'm videoing. It's been very rainy recently, so I'm going up to Papine, where we're gonna see where the University of Technology is. So we're starting on Old Hope Road. You can also enter from Hope Road side, that's coming from Halfway Tree, so that will be for another video. So you're gonna go in the right lane since you're turning right. So we have Liguanea Lane Plaza on your left. We have Liguanea Plaza on your right. And I gave you a tour of Liguanea Plaza the last time when I came to Liguanea, because this is the same route to come to go to the US Embassy. I think it's gonna rain, but the show must go on. So we're passing Standpipe on your left, and American Embassy will be on your right, which we just passed. We're approaching this intersection where you would turn right and go straight around in the direction we're coming from. If you want to go back to Matilda's Corner, or there's a left turn you could take to go to Mona Road, which is where we would take if we're going to the University of the West Indies. But right now we're going to the University of Technology, UTECH, first. So we're going up to Papine side. So we're passing now that we're gonna pass the Chinese Benevolence Center on your right, that building there. And here we have Jamaica College on the left, right here. So we're still on Old Hope Road going up to Papine. And on the right, coming up, is Mona Heights. It's a nice community, very popular. A lot of students live there because it's so near to the universities. So people would like maybe add on, there's usually a flat on each premises, so people have added on to rent out rooms to university students. If you're going to Hope Pastures, you would turn left here, where there's another entrance to the Hope Zoo, the Hope Garden Zoo. And you can enter Hope Gardens, the garden side, and if you're going to the nursery, on your left. And you just pass the fisheries place. And remember, Mona Heights is on your right. This is Hope Complex on your left, a part of the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. Jamaica Bauxite Institute is on your left. Up here, there's a nice place where you can get nice palms on your left. You'll find the gate is where you have a wheel. There's a wheel on the gate, you know, the old time carriage wheels. One of those is on the gate, so That's one of my favorite places if I want palms and so, ferns and so to buy. Hope United is on your left. Mona Prep is on your left. So this is the left to turn into Hope Gardens. If you want to go to the gardens, or if you want to go to the nursery, you can get plants at the nursery too. So we're coming up to University of Technology. There's a nice art store and also an art gallery on your right too. So the art store is around the back once you enter, called the Art Center. So we're almost at Papine now, so we're going to take the left to go into the University of Technology right here. And there's a security guard at the gate. Normally you tell them where you're going. But so here I tell them where I'm going. There's a field on the left there. And there's a roundabout in the center there, right up front. So you can turn left or you can turn right. If you're turning right, you have to go around the roundabout. The Faculty of Education and Library Studies on your left. School of Engineering and Computing on your right. Faculty of Health and Applied Sciences on your right. Business and Management on your left. Faculty of the Built Environment. You turn left and go down further after you go around, I think. So there are a lot of signs that shows you, you can't get lost. You have good directions and you have car parks around here. Lots of car parks. There's a library on your right. So if you're going up to like the admin section where you have to pay for your fees or anything, plus the HR and all of that, it's on your left too. You turn left to go this side. So you have a lot of car parks up here. And you have also you can walk after you park. There's a part you can turn left and go around to where you can buy meals, and you can buy, there's a Burger King around there too. There is also, you can get patties and you can get cooked meals around there and all that. There's a Management and Students Services building around here, this side too. And there's a health center too. I'm going to show you where that is. So on the left, you would also have accounts department. And there is a lovely restaurant called Lillian's. And you have the students who do the hotel management. And so I think that's part of where they cook too. And the meals are served. And they get the cooking experience there. Student services is on your right. This is the engineering faculty at St. Kitts Close, and this is Jamaica Boulevard. As you can see, it's an overcast day, very cloudy, lots of rainfall in this area, in the Mona area. And they have a big auditorium around here too, where you have lots of outside activities as well as internal activities. And you have your football field too. So here, if you go into the health center and the Office of Admissions, Student Services is around this side. And there's a place you can get loans too. There's a credit union. So you can park in this car park to go to any of these places, including HR. You would take a little left there and turn right once after you've parked. But security guards are all around. You can ask them for the directions. So we're leaving the admissions car park now. We're gonna exit. And they also have a canteen, and they have a Burger King up here, and they have I think it's Lillian's restaurant is named. I think it's on my right going down, and I think it's this place here on your right. I'm not sure, one of these buildings on your right. And they also have another place you can eat. I'm not sure if it's a canteen, but they have a place you can, like a snack place, and they sell lunches. And they have another thing like almost like a sports bar for students, because you know it's big people basically up here. Where they buy food. So on the right is where you have the accounts department and so. And down you go and pay your different fees and all of that. There's a place down the bottom. They pay certain fees. So the car park is on your left, another that car park. There's a library there on your left. Left, and so they have like a left at the roundabout to exit. Go on, you have the right away on the roundabout. So Papine is on your left, so I'm just gonna drive up to Papine. If you're going to like Garden Town and you want to go up into the hills, I'm gonna show you where you drive. If you want to go up to like my favorite spot there named Strawberry Hills, that's where you drive this side and go up to the roundabout. So if I was going back, normally you just go turn right to go straight back down, but I'm going to show you where Papine is. Always look on your left. So if you're going to the University of the West Indies or the University Hospital, you would turn right. Right here, you take the other lane and you turn right on the arrow. Or if you're coming from the other side, you take your left. But this is Papine Square. Like a roundabout, really. So I'm going to stay in the right because I'm just going right around. Oh my goodness, my phone won't stay in place. Smile, see? Stop, turn right. Look left. That is Garden Town on your left. You turn left to go Garden Town side. I thought Papine would have you know, been built up by now and look a little better, look more modern. All the shops still look a little run down. They have a little plaza up here too, but it's still for university community. It's still looking quite run down. They have tasty up here too. I really expected them to do better than that with this place, because I'm sure those stores make a lot of money from the students. They have pharmacy and seafood and flow office. So you take the left here to go to the University Hospital or the University of the West Indies, but the university main gate is not from this side. You go, the university main gate is on Mona Road. on here. It's not really congestion, it's just people stopping awkwardly in the road. What is happening up here? Something going on. Okay. See, oh, maybe they're going to they're having a funeral here. So what they do, everybody put on the flasher and they stop somewhere and make sure everybody is together and then they travel together. So you could drive from here to Mona Road. There's a road that runs straight through Mona Heights. Did I pass it? I don't know if I passed it. I could take it, you know, and show you guys how. So we wouldn't go back through Liguanea. So it's straightforward. If you're going back to Liguanea, you just go straight down to Liguanea. So I'm gonna show you Mona Road. Let's make it a little more interesting. But I don't know how the roads stay around here. I'll check it out. Take it left right here. Oh my gosh, it's already looking a little bad. Take my time. Okay, I remember I was staying over here in my final year at university and I used to walk on these roads. You have to use your horns in Jamaica now because people just drive any way they feel like. Road is really bumpy here. So yeah, I used to walk on these roads to go to school. That was my final year because I lived on campus the other years. Of the people around here that this man passed me. I don't want my camera to fall, so I'm taking my time. So this road that I'm on, what's the name of it again? I can't remember. So tell me. This road's join Mona Road to Old Oak Road. So if you want to avoid Liguanea and all those stoplights, you just go through this road. Only that is not as smooth, but you can drive through here. Oh, I wish today was a sunny day. It would have had some beautiful scenery. University of the West Indies and University of Technology. UTECH. So if you wanted to go to the University of the West Indies, you would turn left. I'm gonna drive up to UWI main gate and show you guys, since I'm already on the road. This is the aqueduct. It's a lovely, lovely view. A tour of the university itself on another day. So gate of the university. Tour today. I couldn't know one university and not do the rest in terms of showing the directions. That's the main gate. This is called Mona Road. Taxis on the road. Here is what you have. You ever hear about the Mona Reservoir, and you would hear they say it's running low on your left? This is where you have the Mona Reservoir. It supplies a big part of the Kingston and St. Andrew community water. So this is Kingston, is it 7? Kingston 6 and 7 is up this side. It's really St. Andrew, not really Kingston. National Water Commission treatment plant, and they have the sports ground. This is Mona High on your left. So you can also enter the Mona scheme, Mona Heights scheme from this side here. This is another road. Over here is another community on your left, and you can drive there so to go to Long Mountain. You could go straight down to go to Liguanea too, but I'm gonna take another road here. It's really nice and convenient to live in. Wellington Avenue, I think. Oh, they're building some apartments on top up there, so that's nice. The hills. And all these are individual homes. Oh my God. Go back to the video where the Liguanea video, you can look at it and you will get to understand a little better how all the roads I'm driving on are linked. Because when I was exiting Liguanea, I had also used this road on your right. This road? Not this one, a little down more. And a stoplight. So there are various ways to enter and exit Liguanea. So this is a stoplight. I exited Liguanea from this side. community, gated community. So this will be the same way exiting as the other videos. So if you want to see more on this road, go up further down, you will go to that video. But that video, I think I had turned left on Mountain View Avenue. Not sure where they turned. So what I'm gonna do, the difference with this video now, I'm gonna go straight down on Hope Road, the Crossroads side. Oh, this bumps, guys, Lord. Oh, I know the video look. So remember, all these roads I could turn right on from here to further down. It will take you into New Kingston. Every right turn, go right back to Oxford Road. All of these right, any right turn off this road will take you back to New Kingston. So if you want a shorter cut to go downtown, you will take the left right here, or you could go take the left here on Mountain View and go straight back down to turn left if you want to go like to the airport, or if you want to go to St. Thomas, or if you want to go to Harborview, you would go back down that side. But you could also go down this road and take the right at the National Stadium and go back to Crossroads side. I'm just taking the straight road, basically straight road off Old Hope Road to go to Crossroads. Oh, roads, I tell you, the pothole them. Right lane, because taxis will always be stopping. Here you have two lanes. Oh, we've gone into one lane. This is Old Hope Road. You have Seymour Park on your right. That's another business plaza. Doctors over there and all that. A medical center, El Shaddai, here on your left, with doctors too, and they do other services. There's a pharmacy here on your left too. There's a pharmacy on the right too. So all these roads that turn off this road go into New Kingston. What is this place here on your left? Businesses and they don't put up the names, they don't even know what is there. A gas station. National Sweets. What is this? Don't take any driver in Jamaica for granted that you know what they're gonna do. If they look like they're stopping, but they will just drive into the road suddenly. So always warn them with a little toot on your horn to say, look guys, I'm coming, do not come into the road. Another gas station. the Diabetic, or is it the Heart Association, is on this road. And you turn right off this road somewhere around here. You could find it. And some pool servicing places on this split road too, around here. And that right turn would be entering to Lady Musgrave Road. To go into New Kingston. You could take the left here. This is North Avenue if you want to go on to the examination depot to get your driver's license or to get your fitness fee, your motor vehicle fitness renewed. But for the fitness you have to pay at the tax office first. They don't accept payments there. You have to go with your receipt, which you can do online. And we're back to, if you go straight down you go into Crossroads. I'm not going definite right into Crossroads. I'm just I'm gonna turn left at Tom Redcam here. So when we turn, that will be the end of this video. So you could turn right at the next right turn at the stoplight takes you into Oxford Road, which joins back to Halfway Tree Road. The Oxford Road joins Old Oak Road to Halfway Tree Road. And like if you're thinking of it as a little triangle, then Crossroads would be at the tip of the triangle. And Oxford Road would be at the base of the triangle. Right? So, but we're not going to the tip of the triangle, we're going to turn left. And that's it for today, guys. All my other videos will show you how to come down this road. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know how you feel about this video. If what you would like to see, other driving directions, anything I can do to improve the video, what you didn't like about the video, you can let me know, or what you liked about it. All right, you would also take the left here so too at Arthur Wayne Drive if you want to go up to the what you call it, the Edna Manley School of the, that's where you do, like if you want to do dancing or art, drawing, painting, the artistic side of you. There's a university up that side too. Bye.